Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now you have your seats off the car. I'm gonna demonstrate this rear seat, how easy it is to remove the covers if we have to cut them. A lot of people want to say then that is a challenge there. It takes longer, but let's dive in. So we're gonna get our headrest off. It's just the two clips right here, and we have the center one. Now you can carefully untrim the various parts of the seat. So for us, we took the simple approach. Guys, this is not real leather, so let's not be sentimental about it. We are not losing anything here. And I told you in the previous video, it's gonna be a little bit savage, the process, in a way. Because we don't want you guys to suffer the removal. It's very simple. So once we have it like that, now one thing to notice right here, this pull doesn't go through the eyelet. The way to address that is we're gonna remove it from the frame. Once we get it off the frame, it's gonna be more simple. And just so you don't lose the sequence or the position, you put it back on. We're gonna put this aside. And now we're gonna continue with the lean back. Same process. And Toyota is the only company that I know is still use hard rings. Well, there is few, but Ford, Chevrolet, they have go through the clip system. So you're gonna remove the hack rings with your wire cutters. And there you have it, guys. That's the upholstery covers removal. I'm gonna put it aside. And the cushion is no difference. It's just the hack rings. What are left. And that, guys, was your upholstery covers removal for the rear seat. The little one is basically the same. I just demonstrate this one. And guys, it's not that difficult. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. I want to help you. Then the next video, I'm gonna demonstrate the removal of the front seat, so you know how simple it is. Tacoma is one of those vehicles that you want to get your hands on. And still, if you don't want to do that, bring it to us so you can have a professional installation done in your vehicle. Okay, I'll continue in the next chapter. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna demonstrate the front, and I liked the floor because we have more leverage over there. Just so you can see more clearly. I remind you guys, we use the scissors. We don't use the blades because it's a high risk to cut a wire, and also it's a high risk to have an accident and you can cut yourself. Stay away from the blades as much as possible. So we already cut all the trimming right there, all the supports. Now, when it comes to the wiring, especially this unit is equipped with a cooling and heating. So there is some wiring that we need to take care of. This one, normally you have a plug, but because the system is slightly complex, we go this way, and later on we hold them with a seat tights. And we want to disconnect the heater elements for this vehicle. Just few wires. They're all logical, so you don't have to suffer the removal. Now, be mindful, guys, when you go to this section right here. The first thing is to get the square screw right there. Now, in the wiring, there is this brain that the wire is connected to. It's a logic plug. We just want to get it off. And I'll do the disconnection. Now we can get off the seat. And this is the cushion. So it's just the hack rings. Same process that we do in the back. There is wires going through the cover, so we have to cut the cover. And that was it, guys. Another thing that Toyota did, they don't complicate the airbag, so it's no longer attached to the frame. It's built into the cover. And you cut the hack rings. In the next chapter, we're gonna be doing the loading, which I explained in many of the videos that we previously make. It's just the hack ring of the piece, and then it's the trimming. So it's two different sections that we're gonna be doing. If you have questions, please put it in the comments, guys, and I'll continue in the next video.